Good morning, everybody. Now, this is the GD class. Today's activity is group discussion, and the topic is government or private schools.
Good morning to all. My name is Abhishek Kumar Singh. I am in favor of private school is better because in private school rules and regulations are strictly followed and discipline comes first in the private school. Education also given by private school is in proper way and teachers and students there are a good relation between them in private school and teachers give equal teacher focus equally on all students in private school which is not seen in the government school.
Next.
Hello, my name is Amit.
There are a lot of institutions that are not maintained in government schools, but private schools they do regularly check on the students. They are coming on the campus.
Hello, my name is Amit, and I think both have their own positives and negatives, which I would like to mention. Private schools have their own facility and infrastructure, which at last benefits to the students. But government college is that kind of institution which are mainly opened or due to open because of the to to benefit the uh, poor types of students which cannot afford the expensive education. So government generally I think government schools are also important for lower economic class students. If we see that way. But private schools are much better in infrastructure. There are many faculty of each subject, and students can understand it better. Okay, thank you. That's it.
Hello, I'm Anisha Tiwari and I'm in favor of private schools. Private schools better than
Loudly.
private school better than government school because they provide better infrastructure, better teacher, clean and hygienic facilities, provide better environment for students and also develop personality and do extracurricular activities. Teacher also focus on students.
My name is Shivani Mishra and My name is Shivani Mishra. I am in favor of private schools. As private schools have a smaller class size and better teacher ratios from the students, teacher focuses on overall development of a child. They have high standards for discipline and respect one another. They teach us moral values. They conduct moral classes. They have better sports facilities and co-curricular activities. They also provide game facilities.
Yes, start.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am going to speak on the GD topic, that is private school versus government school. I am in favor of private school because in private school good quality of education is there. All the teachers are very scholar and have the good sense of teaching as compared to government school, and also they have a very good focus on students. They give proper care of attention on students, and also there is a very good quality of discipline. All the teachers are very aware of make always aware of students to always stay in discipline, and there is a well and proper management system. They always provide us many technological equipments, and also smart classes there, computer labs are there in private school as compared to government school, and there is a friendly environment.
The best part of private school, we have get a well experienced teacher. We provide some extra facility. Uh, we get a chance to improve our skills and knowledge. We get proper guidance.
और किसी को बोलना है, ये बोलने का कोई स्कोप नहीं है। सोच कर रखिए साथ।
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar, and I am in favor of government school. Government schools are affordable and they provide the minimum required infrastructure to meet the basic needs. Private schools do not accommodate low economic group students. Right to education is the freedom for everyone, and government school provide education to all the children without any partiality. Policies like free and compulsory education and education to the girl child are made possible only in the government school. Uh, Private school cannot compete in the essential educational requirements of the staff that the government school fulfill. Government school also provide the basic sport facility and physical education to the students. Government is
Good morning everyone. First of all parents want the for best for their children, but these days the education industry is booming, and there are so many choices when it comes.
किसी को बोलने मोटिवेट किसी को कोई नहीं करेगा ये वो क्या हो गया and who are you to say this mind your own business तो बोलेंगे नहीं जो बच्चा बोल रहा है उसको बोल रहा हो गया मतलब क्या शर्म नहीं आ रही आप लोग
In our mind, there is always a question: which is best, government school or private school? Honestly, I never judge both of them because all the workers and employees doing their best. Either it is related to building management, admitted students, except teachers. Some teachers do not do their job honestly, and there are so many examples in government schools as well as private schools also. In my mind, but I always prefer the private ones. I know they are costly, but they have good facilities, nice and well dressed code, young teachers, not like my 11th class teacher. But we never forget the reputation of government colleges and schools like IIT or Navodaya Vidyalaya. Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Yeah, next.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today our GD topic is private school versus government school. I am in favor of private school. Private school are definitely better than government school because private school have better infrastructure required for the physical and development of the child. They can help with the required facility for the student to learn their lesson in a better way. Private institutes are better in their approach towards the physiological development of the children. Private schools maintain better hygiene and environment. Their teaching rules are very strict. The students of private school are well disciplined. That's all. Teachers are aware for the students so that they can follow rules and regulations provided by them. They provide better facilities for students in private schools. Teachers also teach students as per time, but this is not provided in government school. In government school, teachers are mainly not very concerned. They only come to mark their attendance so that their salary should not be cut by the government. Private school provide good environment for study for the students. Thanks.
Yes, continue.
I am Kumar here, preparing private school. As private school have better infrastructure required for the physical and mental development of the child, they can help with the required facilities for students to learn their lesson in a better way. The infrastructure can help them to have a practical approach to practical labs, that private school provide them. So through this, they have better advancement in psychological manner. Private schools maintain better hygiene and environment, which could safeguard the health of the students. They also there are many private schools which allow low fee and give good quality studies for students, and they have a good campus.
Hello everyone, I am Risuraj and I am in favor of government school. Government schools are affordable and they provide the minimum required infrastructure to meet the basic needs. Right to education, the freedom for everyone, and government school provide education to all children without any partial. Policies like free and compulsory education and education to the girl child are made possible through the government schools. And government schools also provide sports facilities.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Manish Kumar, and I am in favor of private school. Private school is better than government school because private school can also provide better sport activities and equipment for the physical development of the children. And private institutes maintain better hygiene environment.
I'm Pramod Kumar. We are talking about which one is government school or private school.
Be a little loud.
I'm Pramod Kumar. We are talking about which one is better, government school or private school. I think private schools are better, but for those who can't afford government school, but it's good because something is better than nothing. But facilities in government schools are not better than private schools. Like private school more because quality of education here is better. Teachers are more qualified here. Better get better infrastructure and better facilities in private schools. Just pay more attention to students. But no, it's a fact that student and teacher ratio in private schools are better than government schools, and yeah, there are extracurriculars which are good for students. Thank you.
Anybody else who has not spoken today? Yes.
Hello everyone. First of all, I'm not in the against of any topic.
But as many of them says, private school provides better management system and many cultural programs. But I think, in my point of view, some government colleges and schools are there
Which provides better management and government school teachers teach seriously, and also they provide some educational functions like seminars, debates, and many cultural programs by which student can develop your skill in the field of many of them like by debate they enhance your knowledge and many more. So I think government school also provide better management system as private school. Thank you.
Okay, who has not spoken today?
Good morning, everyone. I am in favor of government school. In government school, teachers are highly qualified. In government school, fee is not charged, but in private school, fee is highly charged for the education. Nowadays, many schemes were launched by government to improve the education system. Many facilities were given by government school to students like outdoor and indoor games. In government school, computer labs are also provided. Thank you.
All right. The importance of GD will be continued. Activities will be done in your class. Friday activities. You can coordinate, you can be the coordinator, you can make preparation beforehand and tell the class about, anybody can coordinate. There can be role play, there can be skit, there can be drama, there can be anything in this Friday activity club. Speech, everything. Every Friday. Drama. Any role play. A drama can be held for maybe 2-3 drama आप कर सकते हैं in 1 hour. They can be. ड्रामा क्या होता है? ड्रामा, प्ले, स्किट, नाटक. यहीं पे on you can do it every Friday. There are various types of activities. You can choose कि मुझे ये करना है. Coordinate in the class. Be prepared. Whether it is role play, whether it is speech, anything which you want to do, you can do it over here. And this I'm going to do because it will help you to. How will it help you? To remove hesitation. तो सिर्फ क्लास की पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, क्लास के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ ज़रूरी होता है जो कि आपको एनहांस करेगा आपका स्किल, आपका पर्सनालिटी, ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट, स्पीच, communication skills. So I have included this communication club in your class for you to help you better.